Let's start with preheating the air fryer at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. Pat your pork chops dry with a paper towel. In this video, I will be using the same breading mix recipe with my fried chicken, which I will link on the card above. So prepare a container for your breading mix and make sure your pork chops would fit in this container. I will put the measurements of the breading mix ingredients in the description, so make sure you check that out. So now I'm just mixing all the breading mix ingredients into this container, which are flour, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and paprika. Shake the breading mix ingredients together before you put your pork chops. Since this container would only fit one pork chop, I'll put them one by one and shake them with breading mix. Make sure to shake off all the excess breading mix from the pork chop. Spray a bit of olive oil on your air fryer basket so that the dry mixture wouldn't stick to the basket. We will be cooking the pork chops at 200 degrees with 10 minutes per side. When flipping your pork chop, be careful not to touch the basket because that would be really hot. So we're now cooking the other side for another 10 minutes and we'll be ready to serve. This crispy breaded pork chop would be really good with rice, especially with fried rice, which I did. Quick shout out to the following recent subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. I will be doing random shout outs of new subscribers, so make sure that you like and subscribe to this video.